good day. Well, for today, we're going to continue with the topic about factoring, and we're going to check about how can we factorize, or we can apply the common factor, okay, when we have a algebraic expression. So here, for example, the most common formula that you can find is the common factor is when you have two terms or more, they have the same factor, okay? In this case, for example, we have a times b plus a times c, and here we can say that we can multiply this common factor times b plus c, okay? So we can apply this situation in this algebraic expression. For example, we have 3x plus 6. Here, the common factor, for example, it could be the 3, because if you divide by 3 in both terms, well, we can have 3x divided by 3 is equal x, and 6 divided by 3, it's going to be 2, okay? So here we have x and 2, so we have x plus 2, okay? And we have times 3. So that's the way that we can factorize applying this method. One situation here, when we talk about factoring, or well, when you require factorize something, I recommend you to try to check you can apply this this kind of method, okay? Because it's the simplest method, okay? If it's not possible, you can apply another method for factoring, but in this case is my recommendation, okay? Always try to check if the algebraic expression is possible to apply the common factor. Well, that's the first exercise. So for the next one, let's gonna continue with this. Now we have 3 terms, okay? And for example, we can check that in every term we have the x, okay? So here, how can we factorize? Well, it's gonna be simple. You need to take the x with the minimum exponent, okay? So here, for example, we have the 3, the 2, and here we don't see, but here we have the 1, okay? So one common factor here is gonna be the x, okay? And now we need to check about the coefficients, okay? We need to check about the 2, minus 6, and plus 4, okay? Here, in these cases, we can see that all these numbers are products from the 2. So we can divide by 2 every expression, okay? So we can say it's gonna be like 2 divided by 2, it's gonna be 1, minus 6 divided by 2 is equals minus 3, 4 divided by 2 is equals 2, okay? So these ones are gonna be the coefficients for the for the expression that we're gonna have inside of the parentheses. So here we're gonna have 2x, and let me erase all this. So it's gonna be like this. Here, for example, well, also let me tell you something, because it's important. Imagine that you're gonna divide x cubed divided by x, x squared divided by x, and x divided by x, because we have these ones, okay? X cubed, x squared, and x. So x cubed divided by x, applying the properties of the exponents, is gonna be like a subtraction, okay? It's gonna be a subtraction with the exponents. Remember that we are gonna have the exponent 1. So it's gonna be 3 minus 1, so it's gonna be x squared, okay? Here, for example, 2 minus 1, well, it's gonna be x, okay? Oh, equal x, okay? And here, x divided by x is gonna be 1. So these ones are gonna be the exponents, or the variables with the exponents that we're gonna need to put inside of the parentheses. So here, we need to say 2x times x squared, okay? But remember, here, well, the coefficient is gonna be 1, so it's gonna be 1x x squared. We can omit this. We have minus 2 divided by 6 divided by 2 is gonna be minus 3 x squared divided by x. Remember, it's x, and plus 4, but 4 is divided by 2, so it's gonna be 2 plus 2. And x divided by x is gonna be 1. So let's gonna say, applying the common factor method, this is the answer, okay? Well, let's gonna stop here and we continue on the next time. Have a good day.